Come on down to Crosstown's used car superstore and take a test drive in this 2019 Ram 1500 Tradesman in Granite Crystal Metallic paint, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine. It's a crew cab with the 5-foot box on the back. It has mud flaps behind all 4 tires, and it's running on 18-inch rims. This is the back of the 2019 Ram 1500. There's a spot for a trailer hitch down below here with connections so you can hook up a trailer or power up any aftermarket devices using this truck. Put your hand underneath here. There's a button you can press. That opens up the tailgate. Lots of room in the box for many different things. Coming into the back seat area here. Here is a backseat door panel. Plenty of storage space down below with a cup holder, storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm to rest. There's a convenience handle here so passengers can easily lift themselves into the backseat area. There are Ram bins down below, and they are insulated. You put ice in here, you keep cans of Coke, bottles of water cold, and if it gets dirty, you can remove it and clean it. They stay nice and hidden under the mats. And right here, there are directional air vents, which passengers can easily adjust, and they do close and open. And this does have the bench seat. You can easily flip it up just like this. So if you want to haul big boxes in the cab here, easily do that just by pushing the seat up. Steering wheel feels great in the hands. This does have a loud horn. Cruise control on the right here. Bluetooth buttons, you can answer and hang up on calls that come through Bluetooth with these buttons. And this does have voice recognition. Cancel. Using your voice, you can tell SiriusXM Radio to play a certain genre of music, which I think is pretty cool. And there's push button start, push button 4-wheel drive, rotary style gear shifter, and if I throw the Ram into reverse, a backup camera appears on the touchscreen Uconnect system here, giving you a great view of what's behind you. And if I turn the wheel, it'll guide you to where you're going to be backing up, and you can zoom in too. Look at that. I really do like that. This does have air conditioning as well. And this truck only has 2,337 kilometers on it, which is not very much at all. So definitely come check out this truck. This 2019 Ram 1500 Tradesman is ready to be by your side in everyday life. It's ready to haul some heavy loads and also take the kids to school. Come book a test drive at Crosstown today. It's in the used car superstore